estate agents accountable? What makes accountability important in the real estate business?
Great question. Get a coach, right? Other industries also have coaches that help them achieve what they want. Think of top athletes, top professionals. They help hold them accountable for the results that they're after because those coaches know that it's important to them to hit their goals that they want for their world. So get a coach.
Okay. What do you say to agents who got into the business to be their own boss, to have flexibility? They don't want to answer to anybody. That's their response to accountability. What would you say to them?
Right, so I would say that the freedom is actually in that accountability. So if we know the actions that we need to take and we hold the time accountable for the results of those actions, then it actually gives us more freedom. What would that feel like, right? It's the exact opposite of chaos.
Getting what you want.
Okay.